Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a table in Gmail. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Gmail, I need you to click on the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a table directly within a Gmail email isn't supported by default, as Gmail's composed window, like this one, right, doesn't include a table creation tool like a word processor does. However, you can simulate a table using other methods such as formatting with tabs or using a Google Docs workaround. All right, so we're going to switch on the Google Docs. I need you to click on this section right here on the Google Apps and go to Google Docs. All right. What will happen is it would be forwarded here, and maybe we're just gonna click on the blank document. It's up to you. Now, maybe I'm gonna put in something like here, and there's gonna be an option that says insert and click on table. All right. So it's up to you what table you wanted. It could be product roadmap, review tracker, project assets, and launch content tracker. Let's use the product, maybe, I don't know, project assets it is. All right. Now, for you to be able to create a table in Gmail, all you have to do is copy the entire thing here by simply right-clicking, copy, or select all these and Control C. Now, I need you to hover to your Gmail, the draft that you're currently working on. And once you are here, I need you to click on the paste option. All right, so that's basically how you create table in Gmail. Now, once you do that, okay, tables help to maintain data by accuracy and clearly defining and separating different pieces of information. Of course, it reduces the chances of errors or misunderstandings because tables make your email content visually appealing. And of course, it's easier to navigate, especially when dealing with a detailed reports. Of course, you can customize all these. You can put in different colors, highlights, and like custom files so that it would be a lot easier to read on mobile devices compared to a long paragraphs of text, as they condense information into a compact and scannable format. When presenting options, comparisons, or recommendations, tables can help recipients make informed decisions by presenting data in a structured and accessible way. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.